Today we're going to be making some snow ice cream so that you can try out this fun wintry treat. It's sweet and tastes a lot like vanilla ice cream. So if you're looking for a recipe to make using that great snow you got outside, highly recommend. Let's try another one. So let's try it out. You can already see it's grainier than the last one. Ooh, so this one's definitely sweet. It's a good ice cream, and it's helpful that you can skip the step of adding both the evaporated milk and the sugar by adding the sweetened condensed. But I think out of the two, I do like the one with the evaporated milk a little bit better. Both are very good, and I highly suggest trying them.